Good afternoon. Thank you for calling One Dish Hotel. This is Kurt speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hello? I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, starting this Friday.
Certainly, sir. May I have your full name, please?
Sure, it's Josh Mayra.
Thank you, Mr. Josh. We have deluxe room available at 2,999 per night, inclusive of breakfast for two. Would you like me to proceed with your booking?
Yes, please. By the way, do you offer airport pickup?
Yes, sir, we do. Our airport pickup services is available for 1,000 pesos also. If you wish, I can upgrade you to our gold membership for only 999 per year. It comes with more inclusive perks, including 10% discount per booking, complimentary welcome drink, priority check-in, and 2 times reward points every time you stay with us. Would you like me to include your gold membership today?
I'm not sure yet.
No problem, sir. If you like, I can request manager approval to give you our Platinum Elite privilege, which is usually invitation only, but I can check if we can offer it you today. With Platinum Elite, you enjoy 15% discount on your total stay, possible room upgrade, free airport pickup, complimentary breakfast for two, VIP lane access during check-in and check-out. Would you like me to connect you our front office supervisor to see if we can approve this special privilege?
Yes, please. That sounds great.
Absolutely, Sir Josh. Please hold for a moment a while. I will call our supervisor. Sir, our guest is interested for our Platinum Elite privilege, and I was wondering if we can approve this Platinum Elite privilege.
Okay, I will handle that.
Good afternoon, this is Jersey, front office supervisor. I understand you are interested in our Platinum Elite offer.
Yes, I was curious about the Platinum Elite privileges.
That's a wonderful, Sir Josh. Our Platinum Elite program is invitation only, but since this is your first booking, I'm happy to extend the offer you upon approval. As a Platinum Elite guest, you will receive 15% discount on your total stay, free airport pickup, complimentary breakfast for two, possible room upgrade, VIP link access during check-in and check-out.
Yes, that will be great.
Perfect. Let me just coordinate with our department heads to prepare everything for your Platinum Elite experience. Hello, Sir Vincent. We have a Platinum Elite guest, Mr. Josh Mira, arriving this Friday. Please make sure his deluxe room is in perfect condition and prepare a possible upgrade if available.
Understood, Sir Jersey. I made sure the room is spotless and checked for available upgrade. Everything will be ready before check-in.
Thank you very much, Sir Vincent. Hello, Sir AG. Our incoming guest, Mr. Josh Mira, is the under Platinum Elite program. Kindly prepare complimentary breakfast for two and ensure priority seating.
Copy that, Sir Jersey. We'll set up a VIP table and offer a welcome drink upon arrival.
Excellent. Thank you, Sir AG. Let's make sure Mr. Josh feels our one district hospitality.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for this, Sir Josh. Everything has been arranged for your Platinum Elite stay. I will have Kurt to finalize your booking details. Thank you for waiting, Mr. Josh. I've confirmed your deluxe room for 2 nights starting Friday with your Platinum Elite privilege that includes free airport pickup, complimentary breakfast, and your 15% discount applied. Your total comes to 5,098. After discount, may I have your contact number and email address for confirmation?
Sure, it's 0939-711-2746 and jostrabel@gmail.com.
Thank you, Mr. Josh. You receive your booking confirmation and Elite membership details shortly. We look forward to welcoming you this Friday. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome, sir. Thank you for choosing One District Hotel. Have a pleasant day ahead.